Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one more lab here. You can see I am using the Packe Tracer, and you can go in the option preference, and here font size you can increase. You can select 13 here and 13 here, and if you see you can increase this also and then apply. So this way you will increase the font size here. It will look little big. After that what we will do, we will go to the switch. We are going to do the EtherChannel configuration here. Just drag and drop here the switch. Drag and drop, and we will use some cable to connect this one. If you see I am connecting this cable. I am connecting here this cable. So total I will connect here how many? 3 cable I am connecting. You can zoom in also. You can click zoom in, so it will zoom in, and you can move this way. I will put this here. You can see this, right? Total which interface we connected? We connected F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3. And here you can write switch 1. This one we can say SW1. I can put SW1. And this one I can say this is a SW2. Now we need to do the configuration. So take this switch, take the CLI of this switch and move like this. And see here you can go to the privilege mode. After that go to the global configuration mode, change the name here. I will write host name SW1. Then I need to select the interface, multiple interface I need to select. So I will take the range command F0 by 1-3. 1-3. I selected the multiple, and I will write switch port mode trunk because I will configure the interface as a trunk. After that I will write channel protocol, which protocol we are going to use. I will use PAGP. Then channel group. I will write group 1. Mode, which mode? In PAGP what option we have? You need to remember. We have LACP, we have PAGP. So in the PAGP what we can give, we need to write here. If you have confusion, press question mark. You can see here it is showing. If you are using PAGP, you can use auto, or if you are using PAGP, you can use desirable. So any one you can use. But you need to remember both the side. Auto should not use, else you will face the issue. So here I will use auto. So EtherChannel form here. If you want to check, you can exit and you can write show IP interface brief. You can see here you will get the new interface which we created. If you see where we have here, this one, it is done because the other side still we did not configure. So now we will go here and we will configure here also. So same thing what we will do the same as we done just now. First I will drag this and then we will do the configuration here. So I will write here enable, then change the name of the switch, host name SW2. You need to select the multiple interface range F0 by 1-3. Then we will write switch port mode trunk. We will configure trunk. Then channel protocol, which protocol we are using? PAGP. Then channel group, I will use group 1. Mode, I will use desirable. That's all. This way we will configure the EtherChannel. If you want to check, we can write show EtherChannel summary, and you can check here EtherChannel form or not. If you see here show EtherChannel summary, when we write here what we are getting, this is a P of 1, this is a logical interface. EtherChannel is used to convert the multiple physical interface into one logical interface. So this is a logical interface, and you can see this S. What is the meaning of capital S? This is layer 2. And if you see this is U, capital U means in use. So it is working. And which protocol we are using? PAGP. And how many physical interface we have here? F0 by 1, F0 by 2, F0 by 3. These 3 interface you have. You can write show spanning tree protocol here. If you write show spanning tree, you can see you have only one. That multiple interface become one logical interface. Multiple physical interface become one logical interface. Okay. So if you want to check here in switch 1 also, you can check, same thing you will get. If you write here also, show ether channel summary, you can see here also you are getting same thing, P0 of 1, SU, and here is a PAGP. These are the physical interface we have, and this is the protocol which we are using to do that configuration. What else you can write? You can write here show spanning tree and check. P of 1 you have. After that, if you want to write show IP interface brief, you can check here. You have only one interface here, this one. Where you have this one. Okay. So this way we will configure. If you want configuration, I will put here. Let me show you what configuration we done here. This is the configuration we done. Let me copy and paste here, and I can modify any one place. Here I will put same we have the other side also. If you see here, or better, I will put in the notepad so we can easily edit also. Instead of here, let me show you. See here, with this command we are selecting the multiple interface. Till here no need for this one, and I will remove this. So I make the trunk with this command. After that, what we need to do, if you see, we need to use this one. So I will put this command here. After that, we need this one. Which one? This one. So I will put this here. This is for which switch? Switch 1. If you want, I will put the same thing as we are doing. Enable config T host name SW1. Clear? And here I can do, I will divide this notepad. Just I will copy paste the whole thing from here to here. I will put here, and then here I will change this as a 2, switch 2, and here we will write desirable. That's all. This is the configuration for ether channel. I will put this in this file here like this. Okay, this is the ether channel lab we done. If you have any doubts, anything, you can join our Telegram channel and Facebook page. There we are sharing this all information. Okay, if you need this topology, join our Telegram channel. You can check there. Okay, if you have any confusion, let me know. Else